another video. So as you guys can see, I'm not wearing no makeup. The only thing that I do have on is my brows, and this is going to be a full face tutorial. And I will be doing a more warmer eye look, so if you guys are interested in knowing what I come up with, stay tuned and keep on watching. For my face, I am going to start with the L'Oreal primer, and this one's the Glow Lock. So if you guys do have dry skin, this would be a really good primer for you guys. And then you can go ahead and apply like a matte foundation, and it wouldn't dry you out as much. For my foundation, I am going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and this one's in the shade Golden Beige. So I did purchase some new concealers and I haven't tried them out. So this is going to be my first time trying them on here with you guys, and they are the Maybelline Fit Me concealers. The reason I purchased two different colors is because the number 10 is a little bit lighter, so I'm going to go ahead and try that out as my base for my eyes. And then the number 20 is a little bit darker, so I am going to be using that for my under eyes. Hopefully I like this concealer because I have been hearing that it's really good and it's so inexpensive as well. To blend it out, I'm going to go in with the Morphe sponge. You guys, this concealer is super good. I really love how it left my face. It looks really smooth. And it doesn't feel cakey like at all. I loved how it applied. It applied really, really smooth. I don't know why I've never actually purchased this concealer. It's so good and it's been all over social media. Like, a lot of makeup artists use it. And it's really inexpensive and the coverage is so good. Literally, it's really good. Whenever I'm telling you guys that it's good, it's because it's good. So if you are looking for a really good concealer and that's not expensive at all, I would seriously recommend this one. And this is my first time using it. The Maybelline Fit Me concealer. So bomb. Now I'm just setting it with the Pretty Vulgar translucent powder. I used to always do my eyes before anything, but I found this new technique where whenever you highlight or conceal, you kind of right here at the very end of your eye, you're gonna go ahead and draw like a really straight line, a very sharp line. But back here, like on this part, go ahead and blend it out with your sponge. But right here in this part of your eye, don't blend it out. And that's gonna be your guide for your eyeshadow. And then if you have any fallout, you can always just grab a little bit of translucent powder on a brush and just dust it off. Okay, now to contour, I am gonna be using the LA Girl Cosmetics one in the shade Cocoa. And to contour my nose, I'm still gonna contour it, but I'm gonna use different products. I'll be showing you guys ahorita. You do wanna start with the soft hand because if you just go in there with the brush right away, super hard, you're gonna have like this big old dark line and it's gonna be really hard to take out. So you have to have patience and just play with it, start messing with it, blend it out in circular motions, going upwards, and you'll start seeing a change. Once I have that, I am going in with the Hoola bronzer from Benefit. And I'm just setting everything in place. Now I am going to go and contour my nose. What I am going to use is going to be the Hoola bronzer from Benefit Cosmetics, the one that I just used. And I'm going to go ahead and apply it right here. So lately I have been loving the really snatch contour nose, and I'm pretty sure you guys have seen it. So if you guys like it, you guys really need to pay attention and be really, really careful. So as you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see, but my bone is thin already anyway, so it doesn't even matter. So I'm just gonna go ahead and follow those bones. And for the ones that do have like thicker bones, like wider noses and stuff, you guys can always just start drawing it out, mapping out your line and making it smaller. So I'm taking it all the way up to where my brow is. You want to start with the light hand too. And you do want to go with like a smaller detailed brush. And then from there, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it out just a little bit, not too much, because that's the whole point of contouring your nose. You want it to pop out a little bit more. And then I do want my nose to kind of seem like it's perky. I don't know if you guys have seen my pictures like on Instagram, but I do like applying some highlight right here. So in order for me to put the highlight there, I do have to apply like a darker shade down here, just so I can contour it and make it look perkier. And then that's the whole point of adding the concealer, the highlight right here at the very tip. That way it could just look perkier and just like a nice little nose. So then I am gonna just be using a dark eyeshadow, a brown eyeshadow. And you can make it as dark as you want, literally. Okay, and then right here in between this bottom part of your nose and the top, there's like a little dent right there. You want to start adding that hula bronzer or like the lighter shade and start drawing a circle and connecting it with the other line that we just drew. I would never contour my nose like this, but I seen this makeup artist. I'm gonna go ahead and link down her name below. That way you guys can go ahead and check her out. But I seen how she does her nose, and her pictures always look so cute, and I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna switch it up. And I tried it and I fell in love with it. And I do want to highlight this part of my nose. So now going back to the cheeks, I will be applying a little bit of blush. Lately I haven't been applying no highlight, and I've just been loving how my face looks like in my pictures. I've been loving how all this looks really matte, except my nose and right here, you know, down my nose bridge, it looks really highlighted, and then like my inner corner, and that's all. Other than that, I'm not highlighting this part, and I've been loving it. So see how long I last without my highlight. Guys, this concealer that I'm using, seriously, is probably one of the best ones that I've ever used, besides the P. Louise Beige. So now that I have all that blended out, I'm gonna go ahead and take the James Charles palette, and I'll be taking this color for my transitioning color. So since this is my transitioning color, I'm not doing fanning motions, I'm just doing circular motions. Second color will be this one. And for my third color, it's going to be this one. As you guys can see, I am focusing more on the outer corner because that's where I want it to be a little bit more intensified. I am bringing it all the way to the inner corner, but very, very lightly. Okay, so once I have that blended out, I am going to apply some black shadow right here in the outer corner. So I do want the yellow, as you guys can see, I do want it to be a little bit higher than my normal crease. So I will be going a little bit higher. But once I get here at the very end, you just want to do tapping motions so they can both blend together, the concealer and the eyeshadow. Next, what I've been doing, this is my new little trick that I've been doing for my eyeshadows to pop a little bit more, is I do like to apply over the concealer the NYX glitter glue. Just apply it all over where I applied my concealer. I've been noticing that it's been holding on to my colors a little bit brighter. So now taking that yellow from the James Charles palette, I am going to apply it all over the concealer. And then at the very top, I am going to be applying some glitter, and the glitter is from NYX. And because I don't want the liner to look really thick up here, really chunky, or have any fallout, I am mixing the NYX glitter glue and the glitter right here, and I'll be applying it with this brush. As you guys can see, it's really thin, it's really defined. And then I went ahead and did my waterline off camera because my camera died again, but the only color that I used was the brown one and the black one. That's it. Moving on to my liner. My eyeliner that I will be using, of course, is the NYX matte eyeliner. And then for my lashes, I am gonna use these from Beta B Lashes. These are my all-time favorite, guys. Whenever I tell you guys that these are the best lashes, they seriously are. And these are in the name I Am Brave. Do you guys see how fluffy they are? But at the same time, they look so natural. They pretty much go with any eye look. And I do have a discount code if you guys do want to go ahead and use it. You guys don't have to, but if you guys do want to, it is Rubylayy, and you guys will get 10% off. I will be linking down their name and their Instagram below. That way you guys can go ahead and give them a follow or check them out and order from them. So my lashes are a little bit wet still, so I'm just going to go ahead and highlight my inner corner for now. I'm using my favorite inner corner highlight. This is from the Pretty Little Vulgar. I'm going to highlight my brow bone with that same shade. And I'm using Crystal from Life Glam Cosmetics. And this is pretty much it, guys. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you guys do leave this video. And hit the little bell to get notified every time I do upload a video. Sometimes my videos won't show up like on your guys' newsfeed, like on YouTube or on Instagram. So that's why I always say, like, subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell to get notified. That way, whenever you guys do hit the little bell, you guys will get notified every time I do upload a video. Also, I did want to let you guys know that I am going to be collabing here soon with a girl that I already collabed with. And we are going to be doing a giveaway, so stay tuned. I'll probably announce it on my next video. Make sure y'all stay updated. And I will be linking down all my social media down below, so if you guys want to go ahead and follow me. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.